What's going on, guys? Quickly before I start this video, I just want to say I did not record or edit this video. I got it from a YouTuber called Pyers Bay, and his channel link will be in the description, so check him out. Also, I recently made a GoFundMe account, which if you don't know is a way of donating, so I will leave the link to that also in the description. If you guys could donate, it would mean a lot to me and help me out to make some more betting and case opening videos. I think that's all I have to say, so enjoy the video and I'm out.
Most of the time when these people be talking, I don't even hear them. They talk and they talk, but I do not hear shit when I'm near them.
Red.
Are you serious? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh. This is my best knife unboxing ever!
I'd love it if you joined the team. Alright, nothing good so far today. We were so lucky last time though, so I understand if the RNG just doesn't love me anymore. Do I want some winter offensive cases? I actually...
You have bad luck. You're actually tainting the room. Can you get out, please? I promise. You've never
Hi, how are you?
Knife! Knife! Really? Oh, really? Yes! Oh my god, it's a gun of Damascus steel! Oh my god! That's fucking awesome. Holy shit. It's Minware too. Oh my god, that's fucking crazy.
Knife high.
Stupid, but please. Please.
Hi, how are you?
No way! No way! No way! No way! No fucking way! No fucking way! No fucking way! No way! No! No way! No way! No! No! Oh my god! Oh my god! There is no way! There is no way in my first case I got that! There's no way! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Ja. Tja. Åh! Kniv! Oh my fucking god! Såklart! Såklart! Kan jag mitt fan? Kan jag mitt fan? Oh my god! Jag får den! Jag fick den! Ja! Oh my god! What the fuck? Jag tjänar 6000 precis! Fuck yeah! Oh my god! Du är för fan bäst! Oh my god! Ja! Skojar du Leo? Vad fan suger din kuk? Oh my god, jag fick en karambit! Okej. Min hand skakar så jävla mycket. Den här, det är som så här lotter. Den här är värd 6000. Oh my fuck.